Hey everyone, I'm gonna share with you on how I draw skin and blend colors using the Procreate app. First, let's start with the basic shape of a circle. Then, we'll fill it with layers of color, using flat base colors, dark colors, and light colors toward the center. To do this, I'll be using the Nico Roll brush, which is actually a default brush in Procreate. This brush is amazing for creating a texture matte finish. Now, let's talk about my 3 different styles of blending the skin. The first one is my personal default style when drawing. As I said, I'm using Nico Roll brush here. I love the painting style it gives. The key to good blending is the way you put pressure in your hand by drawing. If it needs solid outcome, slightly push our pen a little bit. Just a tip, when in placing colors, first you have to know where the light source coming from, so that you'll have the idea for the proper placing of shadow, dark shadow and highlights. Proceeding on blending the skin, click the second button icon at the top screen with same brush, and the left screen horizontal tab. Lessen the opacity or pressure of your blending brush, so that you have the control when drawing. The second one is a slightly harder look with larger pores and a more matte finish, using the Skin Texture Brush and Materials Brush SET. And lastly, the third style is a more polished and glossy look that makes your art look jelly art style, using Airbrush SET. Just click Soft Brush and Medium Brush. Then these are the result of our rendering skin, the smooth finish, the skin textured, and my rendering style, which is kind of matte and textured finish. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a heart and don't forget to follow me for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.